Farah Lena binti Johar. My metric number is 202532. I'm going to explain the electromagnetism concept. Electromagnetism describes the relationship between magnetism and electricity. The concept of the electric field was first introduced by Michael Faraday. The electric field not only describes the region surrounding an electrically charged body, but in addition, the force experienced by any further charge placed within this region. When electrical charges are in motion, they induce magnetic fields. Such phenomena are observed when iron shavings align in the presence of a magnetic field induced by the passage of a current through a nearby wire. A changing magnetic field will induce an electric field. Similarly, a changing electric field will induce a magnetic field. This is the concept of electromagnetic induction. It is the principle used to drive generators, motors, transformers, amplifiers, and many more electrical devices.
To know the direction of motion, magnetic field, and current, we can use Fleming's left-hand rule. The thumb represents the direction of the motion, the forefinger indicates the direction of the magnetic field, and the middle finger indicates the direction of the current. Electromagnetism is magnetism produced by an electric current. When electric current flows through a wire, it creates a magnetic field that surrounds the wire in circles. Electric current is moving from positive to negative electric potential, while electrons in current actually flow in the opposite direction from negative to positive potential. The direction of the magnetic field created when current flows through a wire depends on the direction of the current. A simple rule, called the right-hand rule, makes it easy to find the direction of the magnetic field if the direction of the current is known. When the thumb of the right hand is pointing in the same direction as the current, the fingers of the right hand curl around the wire in the direction of the magnetic field. Hence, electromagnetism is magnetism produced by an electric current. Current flowing through a wire creates a magnetic field that surrounds the wire in concentric circles. When the thumb of the right hand is pointing in the same direction as the current flowing through a wire, the fingers of the right hand curl around the wire in the direction of the magnetic field. Electromagnetism is very useful because it can be turned on or off by turning the current on or off, and it can be made stronger or weaker by using more or less current.
Now that we have learned the basic of electromagnets, now we are going to see a device that uses electromagnets, and it is something that we see in our daily life, which is
For the conclusion, many electromagnets have advantage over permanent magnets because they can be easily turned on and off, or increasing or decreasing the amount of electricity flowing around the core can control their strength. Electromagnetic can be found in our daily life, such as doorbell, hard drive, speaker, MRI machine, microphone, and many others. All all of these objects is very important in our daily life because it can make our life be more easier. So, what would be life like without electromagnets? Even if you exclude the Earth's magnetic field, life without magnets would be very different and much worse. Without magnets, the healthcare would be declined and the communication would falter, the landfills would overflow, and the most important thing is there would be no electricity in our life. So, the electromagnetic is very important for our life because it can give more benefits to our daily life. So that's all from our presentation. So thank you.